Hello enthusiasts of mighty and unique machinery. Welcome to Mighty Machine Masters, where we will share the most amazing creations and machinery in our world today. In today's video, we'll look at some of the world's most efficient industrial machines that will shock you. Techne Kirow Slag Taurus. The machine you're currently looking at is the Techne Kirow Slag Taurus. In industrial operations, slags are byproducts obtained when ores are smelted and when metals are recycled. When these slags are obtained, they're in molten form, meaning they possess a high amount of heat that requires a particular type of transportation, and this is what the Techne Kirow Slag Taurus provides. It is an unrivaled tech that meets the task of transporting such an abrasive material with high efficiency while withstanding the corrosive properties of the slags. These slags are sure to be delivered in the smoothest transportation and convenience imaginable, helping industries take on their slags like they were born out of the ashes of lava and magma. CAT 6040 Excavator. The CAT 6040 Excavator is a gigantic machine made by Caterpillar, a leading hand in manufacturing heavy machinery. Working in the mining sector, the CAT 6040 Excavator mines soil material at the mining site with a weight of 1,400 tons. A hydraulic excavator ranked among the world's largest excavators, this titan is used during large-scale mining projects to ensure efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Its 34 cubic meters bucket and hydraulics make it able to move vast amounts of soil material daily. You should see this guy in action as it does its work like child's play. The Jenz SF Hacker Hem 821 DQ Cobra Plus Hybrid. Sawmills and wood processing factories need machines capable of processing wood into sawdust. The Jenz SF Hacker Hem 821 DQ Cobra Plus Hybrid chips wood into fine particles with extreme might and precision. Even the toughest mahogany becomes mincemeat for this heavy machine, making it a sought-after choice by those in the business. By doing so, they save on cost and time, as all that is needed is an operator to load the wood material into the teeth for the chipping process. T282 Diesel Electric Mining Trucks. These trucks used in mining processes are known for their short ton capacity of 400 tons and 64 kilometers per hour speed. They're often attributed with being the first trucks to revolutionize mining truck technology, with features that enable them to transport heavy soil materials across the harshest terrains. They get the job done despite having the hassles or inconveniences that may occur because that's just how they were built, to be rugged and satisfy the needs of users. Toll Incorporated Crosshatcher. Next on the list is the Toll Incorporated Crosshatcher, which changes the pruning game on orchards and vineyards. It has a set of rotating blades that spin and trim trees on both sides simultaneously and rapidly. It has a precision technology that helps it prune these trees with so much accuracy and efficiency, making it a profound option for dressers and those working in these orchards and vineyards. When you use this fantastic machine, you'll be done before your tea goes cold. Tooth Predator Trencher. When you hear the word predator, you often think of a wild animal devouring smaller animals, and in the realm of machines, that notion isn't far off. This machine conquers and devours the most complex and challenging soil to dig out trenches for various purposes like passing plumbing pipes, laying telephone cables, laying electric wires, gas lines, sewer lines, etc. A machine with formidable power, the The Tooth Predator Trencher smoothly cuts these trenches with an optimized engine and rigid features. Front Cutter Blowers. Front Cutter Blowers is a new snow removal technology for high maintenance and heavy-duty work. To remove snow from regions with heavy snow, this machine is attached to a tractor and driven through the snow with its giant rotating blade, spinning and ejecting the snow through a nozzle at the top. It can go through a considerable amount of the snow in a day while efficiently clearing it with a turbocharged engine of 3,500 horsepower. Big Slabs Queen's Grass BV. This machine is made for gardeners who search for approaches to reduce the dehydration of their grass. This can be placed in a real sense anywhere from little gardens to huge ones, and even in recreational areas. Aside from its divine accessibility, it likewise chops down working hours in the garden and commitments to better regrowth. Utilizing this machine again amplifies a stress-free day due to garden work being gone. What a delight! Barrel Mover 5000. Next, we have a machine that doesn't just help move heavy barrels, but also helps reduce road accidents that happen every day. This is the Barrel Mover 5000. With this machine, productivity in the work zone is genuinely evident. This professes to be capable of paying for itself within 30 or fewer days. This barrel mover cuts the cost of various aspects of barrel removal and can also cater to the well-being of the laborers, as it is taken as a primary concern at the site or workplace. Utilizing the Barrel Mover 5000 will most likely reduce automobile accidents involving drug and liquor or mobile phone distractions. Genuinely an effective and life-saving machine that is still unknown to many. Dahl Logo 12K. Regarding adaptable wood transport, the Dahl Logo 12K has your back. These kinds of vehicles have a different standard in versatility, as they can be used for ranger services, significant distance haulage, and rough terrain applications, by which they're similarly a reasonable choice for long wood and also concerning short wood and timber, as the name recommends. This specific unit is designed for wood length of up to 22 meters and has a movable driver cabin that can go all over like a lift with 2 hydraulic bands to which it is connected to make an entire 300-degree turn. This gives the operator a better perspective for more straightforward use and mobility during activities. It likewise has an astute control device located in the cabin that is answerable for the pivotal moments of the loading system. If a more unambiguous need emerges, the operator can modify its settings since it isn't fixed and has another 6 sets available. Casella Hose Reel Pump 150. The Casella Hose Reel Pump 150 is an extraordinary and super productive machine. This follows the coupling instrument and works even when there's just a single operator, since it has a more straightforward approach to situating the system. At the point when it has no loads, it weighs around 6,400 tons with pipes that are 9.3 meters thick and a hose reel fit for taking the water directly from the channels or legs. Cone cranes. For over 20 years, cone cranes have led the assembling of stackers in the lifting industry. They've been quick to provide the market with a hybrid stacker effectively. These stackers combine the tried and true heavy-duty cone crane innovation with innovative and eco-effective properties and characteristics. Aside from that, they are too designed to push beyond the limits, as they can go as far as needed. It might also rise to each extraordinary levels. Cone cranes did not forfeit the force of their units since they could handle 10 to 46 tons of weight during the operation. In addition, it can also take 45 tons of intermodal weight. If your watch hasn't ended, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to see more videos from us. Mastenbroek V-Plow. Proficiency in cultivating, for the most part, depends on how effective the equipment used for the job is. Mastenbroek's production of this V-Plow aims to provide an innovative, practical, and robust answer for effective cultivation practices. To do this, they designed the machine to be essentially as minimal and conceivable as possible so that the added advantage of increased motor power is felt more. Its V-blade channel method can introduce more extensive diameter lines to depths of 1.8 meters. It has the most significant line diameter of 200 millimeters with a plow unit that can pivot up to 12 degrees on the sides. Aside from its plow unit slow of 7.5 degrees, the V-Plow unit works with a GPS control and a manual override. Marking Repetition System, Stim Mark 4K. Further on our list of machines is the Stim Mark 4K from the Road Marketing Repetition System. This unit has been known to be the essence of elite execution road marking machines, designed to reduce the workload on staff. Limit time used in loading marking materials, and plan equipment for work. The overall security of the operator and other personnel is likewise improved thanks to the sensors incorporated as part of its feature. One of the specific uses of these sensors is to monitor the weight of the tanks with marking materials. By doing so, it allows operational control and accounting for these marked materials. Groundmaster 4000D. If you're searching for the most productive 335cm trimmer available today, the Groundmaster 4000D may be ideal. This is a 55 horsepower turning engine with a solid turbocharged diesel agreeable motor. It weighs around 2,200 kilograms and has a vehicle speed of 16.2 miles each hour. Powered by Yanmar Super Diesel, it can immediately cut through various cutting conditions and likewise has an extraordinary ability to cut a 0-degree whole circle without using wheel brakes. This unit has many standing highlights, and we'll turn out some of them. The Groundmaster 4000D has a dependable powertrain thanks to its throttle-by-wire. It likewise has an electric isochronous motor governor that permits a quicker motor recovery time with no motor droop. Moreover, it is very proficient regarding its power utilization since it has an auto idle mode, which consequently drops the machine down to low idle if it detects that it's already sitting idle with the decks off for 5 seconds. This is likewise very easy to use as it has the intense power footing permitting even inexperienced operators to be as productive as a seasoned veteran. Aside from that, the 4000D likewise has a cooling system with an auto-reversing cooling fan that blows waste on the admission screen to reduce overheating. Tubeline Balewrapper 6500. This is the Tubeline Balewrapper 6500, which has an oversized band that makes the wrapping of 6 by 4 by 6 inches bundles conceivable. One of its incredible elements is the twin wrap unit that is prepared to hold 2 rolls of film and pass them through a solitary stretcher. Through this, the wrap bonding compound is activated, which later results in the development of a solid 2-employer film layer. This layer of the film stands up to intense bundles folded over, preventing penetration of the wrap. This is similar to combining 2 sets of 2 rolls for a sum of 4, ensuring that the equivalent insurance is added to everyone. Aside from that, it also has the film snap patent, which is already turned into a standard on all inline bale covering models. This greatly helps maximize farm productivity and will leave a considerable profit at the end of the day. Tunnel fire truck, Everbest fire equipment. And last on the list, we move on to this incredible machine for crisis services. This is the tunnel fire truck from Everbest Fire Equipment. In instances of big fires breaking out, this can help with its 8,000 kilograms water limit. Its power is no joke since it has a 4x2 driving system powered by a 250 kilowatt motor. Aside from its water fog smoke evacuation system and self-security sprinkler system, this fire truck is competent and efficient for showering water at a low speed. It is genuinely something we need during these modern times to save costs and ensure effectiveness. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to see more videos from us. Until next time.